I've dedicated my entire professional life towards solving problems with plastic and fighting climate change, and founded a company to do that. And I'm really excited to speak to everyone about it here today. So what do I view as the problems with how we make plastic and dispose of waste? Making plastic generates about 5% of climate change. Disposing of organic waste in the landfills generates about another 3.5% of climate change. And then using plastics and disposing of them improperly is creating microplastics both in the environment and in our bodies and causing cancer. And I want to try and make the biggest dent that I can on those problems. The way that I do that is that I make products that truly compete with conventional plastic products and can obviate the need for that 5% of climate change from the supply side. And then once those are put into the waste stream, the circular economy, they can help drive change across the entire system and make a real dent. The reason that we can make products that truly compete with conventional plastic products is that microstructure shown on the right side. Instead of using solid materials, we use 1/3 the material because of that efficient structure. So I can buy plant and waste-based materials and then make packaging and other items using as little as half to 1/3 the material. And that lets me make products that are lower in cost than conventional products. Usually sustainable products are expensive and poor performing. Because of that microstructure and the material savings, we can meet the performance targets of conventional products and also make them cost less. Once they're out in the world, consumers get to buy products that cost the same as conventional products because of that lightweight material structure. We've shown that existing artificial intelligence sorting systems can pull our products out of waste streams, and then they and food waste can both be broken down back into the raw materials for our packaging, and then the residuals from that can be made back into bioplastic that I buy to make more products. Now, the difference between this and conventional recycling or just composting is that we make products that are cost competitive. We can pay for the sorting because it makes valuable raw materials. Both the food waste and the packaging get to be recycled, and then the bioplastic producers make money. So each step in this circular economy that we envision is profitable, and that's better than the regular systems. I've spent the last more than 10 years developing this. I raised more than $5 million in grants from various government agencies, including Washington Commerce. Thanks, Kurt. Developed that this all works at the stable manufacturing scale and facilities, have 6 patents granted, have done pilots with major corporations around the world, and we've made products from 100% post-consumer food waste. This year, we focused from just working on a technology to really scaling a real business. So we did a pilot with a major corporation located in Seattle at their all-hands meeting, and we showed that even though there was clear labeling, that consumers still need a little help once they're done with their products. So those are compostable products in all 3 bins. And on a mass basis, the amount of food waste was the same in the trash bin as the compost bin. So we think that validates that sorting can be helpful. We then went to a commercial sorting company that does 6 tons per hour and showed that our product can be reliably sorted from waste streams. And they validated the unit economics to show that if you have a trash stream with a lot of our products in it, it can be profitable to sort the trash. We then worked with another one of our partners to convert that back into our raw materials, and then we made more products from it. Now, along with showing that the science works and the unit economics work, we also formed a launch partnership with one of the world's fastest growing brands for food service products. They currently sell $2 million a month worth of products that are similar to ours, and we currently have a $150 a month growing book of business with them that we're looking to expand. And we also just completed a project with a major strategic investor that views our technology as a possible platform for decarbonization. So we're looking for more food service item customers, ideally fast and local. We're looking for more people that want to help us work for the DOE and the USDA, who we're currently working with to scale up this concept of recycling packaging and food waste together. And we're looking for customers and funders. We have a growing book of business, and $5 million in funding will get us to the point where we can have $25 million a year in recurring revenue and 3 years with our partners. Thank you.